In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passkey on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a passkey is an excellent way to enhance your account security and streamline your sign-in process. So let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. Open up your web browser or LinkedIn app and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you're ready for the next step. Next, we need to navigate to the Settings section. To do this, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account settings. Now that you're in the Settings area, look to the left-hand side of the menu. Here, you will find various options, but what you want to focus on right now is the Sign In and Security tab. Click on that tab to access your account security settings. Once you're in the Sign In and Security section, scroll down until you find the Account Access subsection. In this section, you'll see an option for passkeys. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Passkeys Setup interface, which is where the fun begins. Now it's time to create your passkey. Look for the button labeled Create a Passkey and give it a click. At this point, for security reasons, you may be prompted to enter your LinkedIn password again. Just type it in to verify that it's you trying to set up this feature. After entering your password, you'll click Create a Passkey again. Following that, your device will guide you through a series of prompts to complete the setup. This may vary slightly depending on whether you're using a mobile app or a web browser, but the instructions should be simple to follow. Just pay attention to any messages or prompts that come up. Once you complete all the necessary steps, you'll have successfully created a passkey for your LinkedIn account. This not only enhances your security, but can also make logging in much more convenient since you'll have an alternative method of verification available. And there you have it. With that, you've taken an important step in protecting your LinkedIn profile and optimizing your online presence. Always remember, maintaining strong security practices is essential in today's digital age. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to create a passkey on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful content just like this. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.